Hi lovely people, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to make just half pint bucket of peanut butter. I know some people usually want to make it in smaller quantities, so in this video I'll be showing you how to make this creamy peanut butter, just half pint bucket of the peanut butter. Let's get right into the video. To make a half blue paint bucket of peanut butter, we need 1 olunka of peanuts or 1 bowl of peanuts. That's the bowl they usually use to measure. Here I bought it at 50 Ghana cedis. That is about $5 for 1 bowl. So that is all we need to make half paint bucket of peanut butter. For the full one we need 2 bowls, but for this we need just 1 bowl. So as you can see, I'm roasting the groundnuts already. So I'll roast it until it is about 80 to 90% done. When it's about to get done, you see that it will be easier for you to remove the skin. So when you see that it's easier for you to peel out the skin, then it's ready for you to take it off the fire. So once it's done, I'll take it off the fire and then we continue from there. So as you can see from the video, the skin is coming off easily, so it's time for us to take this off the fire. So I'm going to transfer this into a bowl, then from there I'll transfer it into a sack. The reason I'm putting it in the sack is to allow it to cook overnight. Okay, I'll leave it throughout the night till the next day. By the next day it will be well cooked inside. So this is how the groundnut looks after it was done. I'm going to transfer it into this sack. Then I will cover it very well and leave it till the next day. So I've transferred the groundnut into the sack. I'll leave it till the next day. So this is the next day and this is how our groundnut is looking like. The next thing I'm going to do is to peel off some of the skin. You don't need to remove everything, but you can remove as much as you can. This will help to give you a very nice color. Okay, so after I was done removing the skin, this is how the peanuts look like. I winnowed it. Okay, the process is called winnowing. So just take it out and separate the skin from the peanuts, and this is what we have. Now we are heading right away to the grinding mill, and we are already at the grinding mill. Here we are grinding the peanuts to get the peanut butter. Okay, so this is how it's done. That's all on how to make just a half pint bucket of peanut butter. It's very simple and easy. If you also have a good blender, I think you can blend this as well at home. Thank you so much for watching. If this video has been helpful to you, please like the video and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Then turn on your notification bell so that you'll be among the first people to be notified whenever we upload a new video. Now, doesn't this look creamy? This looks very creamy, and when you use it to prepare soup, it's very nice and delicious because you've used the original authentic peanut butter. And here we have our peanut butter looking all creamy. Thank you for watching. Drop your comments. Let me know what you think. And if you have any video that you want me to make, please drop it in the comments section. Bye.